And they look at your thumbnail, they look across at your title, and together they sell the click.
Want a copy of YouTube Secrets audiobook for free? Right now, when you sign up for a free 30-day trial of Audible, you can also get a complimentary copy of the #1 best-selling YouTube strategy book in the world. Download your copy today at tubesecretsaudio.com.
Mistakes that people make right here is repeating the entire title inside the thumbnail. We don't want to do that. The second mistake people make is giving away the entire plot of this video. I don't know. Let me find something. I've got this device here. These are the Google AirPods thingamajiggy. I don't know what they're called. But I've got this in here. If I had said, you must absolutely buy this, and that's my thumbnail, what reason do you have to watch my video?
Yeah.
None. I've given away the ending. But if I held this up and I'm going, should you buy this with that overacting YouTuber face? You know, if you're in the market for that and you've been searching for that or that popped up on your browse, you might think, oh, hold on. What does he know that I don't know? Click. Make no mistake. YouTube knows and reads the information inside your thumbnail. So when you got things like logos, when you got text, when you got a certain type of emotion, YouTube picks all that up. And there's a website called Google Cloud Vision, and you can drop your thumbnail in there, and it will literally tell you what YouTube can see.
This is exactly how you get tens of thousands of views. The emotion in the face, you're like, don't do this, but what does that mean, right? You're like creating some interest and some mystery.
You want to draw people in. And if I had said, don't charge your phone overnight, cool, thanks. Then it's pretty much done, right? Like, there's nothing more to discuss.